Ever wondered what makes an app or website engaging and user-friendly? It all lies in the realm of UI/UX design. UI or user interface design, and UX or user experience design are the invisible gears that turn an ordinary digital platform into a captivating, user-friendly experience. The world of UI/UX design is dynamic and ever-evolving, with new trends constantly shaping the industry. These trends are not just about aesthetics or style, they represent shifts in technology, user behavior, and cultural values. By understanding these trends, designers can stay ahead of the curve, creating innovative designs that captivate users and meet their ever-changing needs. These trends include minimalism and simplified interfaces, dark mode, micro-interactions, voice user interfaces, augmented and virtual reality, neumorphism, bold colors and gradients, data visualization, and cross-platform consistency. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve into these trends one by one. First on the list is minimalism and simplified interfaces. This trend is all about stripping away the excess and focusing on the essential. It's about creating a design that is clean, clear, and easy to navigate, making the user's journey as straightforward as possible. Imagine a room, a minimalist room. There's ample space to move, everything has its place, and there's a sense of calm and focus. That's what we want to achieve with our designs. White space or negative space is a key element in minimalism. It gives our elements room to breathe and helps guide the user's attention. Bold typography, meanwhile, can communicate a message effectively and efficiently without adding clutter. An intuitive navigation, it's like a well-drawn map guiding users where they need to go, ensuring they don't get lost in the process. So when designing, keep in mind the principle of minimalism. Remember, less is more when it comes to creating a clean and minimalistic design. Next up is a trend that has taken the digital world by storm: dark mode. This visually striking alternative to the traditional light interface has become a favorite among users and designers alike. Not only does it offer a fresh aesthetic appeal, but it also provides practical benefits such as reduced eye strain, particularly in low-light environments. The contrast and vibrancy of colors pop out in dark mode, improving readability and focus. Designers are recognizing the value of this trend and are incorporating dark mode options into their interfaces. This not only enhances the overall user experience, but also provides users with a level of customization. It's about offering choice and empowering users to select the mode that best suits their needs and preferences. So, don't underestimate the power of the dark side. In the world of UI and UX design, dark mode is more than just a trend, it's a game changer. Moving on, we have micro-interactions, the subtle yet powerful elements of a design. These are the small animations and feedback elements that you might not notice at first, but they play a significant role in enhancing the overall user experience. Think of the small animations that happen when you hover over a button, or the loading animation that keeps you engaged while waiting for content to load. These are all examples of micro-interactions. They add a layer of polish to a design, making it feel more alive and responsive. They can also provide valuable feedback to users, helping them understand the result of their actions. Moreover, micro-interactions can add a sense of delight to a design, making it more enjoyable to use. They can turn a mundane task into a memorable interaction, captivating users and creating a sense of engagement. So remember, with micro-interactions, it's the small details that make a big difference. As the world becomes increasingly digital, voice user interfaces, or VUI, are on the rise. In the age of smart devices and voice assistants, VUI is becoming a vital part of the design process. It's all about creating intuitive and natural interactions that feel as effortless as a conversation between friends. Understanding user intent is the first step in crafting a successful voice interaction. This means predicting what users might say and how your interface should respond. It's about designing a digital companion that can understand and react to a wide range of verbal commands. Next comes crafting conversational flows. This involves creating a logical and engaging dialogue structure that guides the user through their journey. It's like writing a script for a play, where every line matters and every response is tailored to the user's needs. Finally, clear voice prompts are essential. They guide the user, providing feedback and confirmation that keeps the interaction running smoothly. So, remember to lend an ear to the voice of the future. Next, let's explore the exciting world of AR and VR technologies. Augmented reality and virtual reality are transforming the way we interact with digital interfaces. They offer immersive experiences that blur the line between the digital and physical realms. Just imagine. You can try on clothes without visiting a store or tour a faraway city without leaving your couch. It's like stepping into a whole new world created by your device. But how do designers use AR and VR to create engaging interfaces? It's all about leveraging the technology to create experiences that are interactive, immersive, and most importantly, user-friendly. Designers are continuously experimenting and innovating, finding ways to integrate these technologies into various industries such as gaming, e-commerce, and education. The goal is to provide users with unique, memorable experiences, making their interaction with the digital world more real and tangible. AR and VR are truly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design. Now, let's talk about a trend that's a blend of old and new: neumorphism. This trend combines elements of skeuomorphism and flat design to create interfaces that mimic real-world objects and materials. The result? A soft, three-dimensional appearance that adds depth and tactile qualities to digital interfaces. Neumorphism leans heavily on the use of shadows and gradients to create a sense of depth. It gives buttons and controls a raised or embossed appearance, making them feel more tangible. This design trend is all about creating a sense of realism and tactility in your interfaces. It's like bringing a touch of the physical world into the digital one. But neumorphism is not just about aesthetics, it's also about enhancing user experience. The tactile cues can help users intuitively understand how to interact with the interface. The raised elements can indicate where to tap or click, making navigation a breeze. Neumorphism is certainly adding a new dimension to digital interfaces. Color is the spice of design, and bold colors and gradients are making a splash. Vibrant and lively color schemes are being embraced with open arms in the realm of modern design. They have the power to bring life to your designs, making them visually striking and unforgettable. Designers are leveraging gradients and color transitions to add depth and visual interest to their designs. The use of gradients, which is basically a smooth color transition from one shade to another, can create a sense of dynamism and movement. It's like a breath of fresh air that can add a new dimension to your design. Bold color choices can do more than just attract attention. They can evoke emotions, enhance brand identity, and make interfaces more memorable. They can create a vibe, set a mood, and even communicate a message without saying a word. So don't be afraid to experiment with colors. Let your creativity run wild and let your design speak volumes. Bold color choices can truly make your design pop. In this data-driven age, effective data visualization is a must. As we thrive on information and make decisions based on data, designers are focusing on creating intuitive and visually compelling data visualizations. These aren't just fancy charts or colorful graphs, but tools that present complex information in a digestible and visually appealing manner. Consider the massive amounts of data generated every minute. Without proper visualization, it's easy to drown in this sea of information. But with well-designed data visualizations, users can easily grasp insights, discover patterns, and make informed decisions. Designers are challenged to balance beauty and functionality, to create visualizations that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also easy to understand. This involves choosing the right visual elements, like colors and shapes, and arranging them in a way that tells a clear and compelling story. Good data visualization turns numbers into insights, transforming raw data into a visual feast of knowledge that's easy to consume and hard to forget. Last but not least, cross-platform consistency is key in today's multi-device world. As users switch between smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even smart TVs, the expectation for a consistent and seamless user experience is higher than ever. Think about it. A design that looks and functions beautifully on a desktop but falls apart on mobile isn't just a poor design, it's a frustrating user experience. The goal is to ensure that no matter what device or platform a user chooses, the design elements, functionality, and overall experience remains consistent. This doesn't just mean making everything look the same across all devices. It's about ensuring that the core functionality and design principles are carried across platforms. This could involve adapting navigation menus for smaller touchscreens or ensuring that text is readable across all device sizes. Designers need to be mindful of this, planning for various screen sizes and input methods from the get-go. In the end, a consistent design creates a seamless user experience. And there you have it, the top UI/UX design trends shaping the industry today. We've journeyed through the sleek and focused world of minimalism, explored the eye-soothing realm of dark mode, and witnessed the playful delight of micro-interactions. We've delved into the increasingly prevalent voice user interfaces and immersed ourselves in the captivating realities of AR and VR. We've touched on the tactile, three-dimensional world of neumorphism, reveled in the striking impact of bold colors and gradients, and understood the importance of intuitive data visualizations. And lastly, we've appreciated the necessity of maintaining cross-platform consistency in our designs. Staying abreast of these trends is not just about being trendy, but about understanding the evolving expectations of users and the innovative ways to meet these expectations. Remember, a good designer keeps an eye on the trends, but an exceptional designer knows how to creatively use them.